Hi everyone, this is Frank Bierman and this is my DSARI Home Energy Audit for Class BBE 2201. I did it on my residential home in Tipton, Iowa. A little bit of background knowledge on total residential energy usage in the United States. On average, the U.S. household uses roughly 11,000 kilowatt hours per year. Now we can see that this varies by region as shown in the graph. The four regions designated here are Northeast, Midwest, South, and West. The green bar, the southern region, uses by far the most energy in comparison to the other three. My case study would fall into the single-family detached Midwestern region. That Midwestern region uses slightly less than national average at right around 9,500 kilowatt hours per year. As we look further into the residential energy usages, we can see that the HVAC systems use roughly 1/3 of the total energy consumption. Space heating at right around 15% and air conditioning at right around 17% make up that 1/3. Other top energy consumers include water heating at right around 14% and lighting at 10%. Some information on my personal case study. I did it at my home residence in the countryside of rural Iowa. It is a 2-story, roughly 5,500 square foot, 5-bedroom, 4-bath structure. It is standard in-home devices and appliances, nothing really out of the ordinary, and the home was built in 1998. Since then, it has had a lot of work done onto it and a lot of improvements to bring it up to more modern day standards and make it more energy efficient overall. For the actual research part of the DSARI project, I created a timetable to track the amount of time used in 1 week by each of these 8 energy using items. For my 8 items, I chose a standard light bulb, a coffee maker, a mini refrigerator, toaster, iPhone charger, TV, lamp, and stereo speakers. We tracked how long those were used each day for 1 week, and then took the average of that and put it into the table on the next slide. The toaster was done in minutes because it was not used for ever more than 20 minutes at a time. The mini refrigerator was my variable energy usage item. And you may note that the TV and the stereo speakers are identical in time usage. That is because the speakers are hooked up to the TV. Whenever the TV is on, the speakers are on, and vice versa. These were the results that I found according to that timetable, and then hooking up the kilowatt meter to see how much energy each appliance actually used. Some of these items I thought were going to be variable usage, like the stereo speakers. I thought they would constantly be on, constantly drawing energy because they're Bluetooth speakers sort of on standby for the TV. But I discovered that they in fact were not. They don't draw any energy when they're off. The coffee maker was the biggest energy consumer, as it is constantly pulling energy throughout the day, whether it is in use actually brewing coffee or not. The mini refridge is on 24 hours and was my variable power source, as I said earlier. And when it all came to, I got a total of 78.69 kilowatt hours per month, roughly, from these 8 appliances. I was able to locate our most recent energy bill. That was for the months of January to February, just previous to when I was at home doing this project, so it is very accurate. For those months, we had a total of 821 kilowatt hours used in the entire month, and an average daily use of 26.48 kilowatt hours per day. In the bottom right, we can see that the energy bill was right around $130, and there's a graph showing how our energy consumption rates fluctuate based on the month and the time of year. It also shows the last 13 months and how this January to February was a little bit less in energy consumption than the previous January to February. This is a flyer that comes with the bill. about 4 times a year, so seasonally, on ways to help reduce energy usage and energy bill totals. This flyer is an effort by the energy company to increase efficiency overall and do their part in energy conservation by educating the public. Some things I learned from this project included just the total amount of energy that the coffee maker uses. Some devices you may think are going to be variable energy consumers will not be. And if you look closer at the energy bill, most of the costs are outside the actual energy usage. Some improvements I found that could be made are the lights can be used a lot more efficiently, and the mini refridge and appliances similar to it can also be used more efficiently. These were my references used on the project. Thank you.